Hello everyone, I am Jeffrey, and here's a day in the life of a master's marketing student. Since it's Friday, my day starts out early as I head to the pitch with my cousin to go get some exercise done ahead of our match on Saturday. After practicing for a few hours, I freshen up, get a change of clothes, and head to school. I stopped at the coffee shop to grab a cup of coffee to help me prepare for one of the biggest presentations of the semester happening later today. As part of our marketing module, we get to consult, pitch ideas, and make recommendations for real brands. I finally arrived at the university and got straight to work. I rehearsed and made some final touches to my section of the presentation. Feeling confident with what I had, I went to grab a snack and came back to start designing the slides for my next presentation coming up the following week. I always try to make my slides as interesting and fancy as possible to keep my audience engaged till the end. At 3 p.m, I headed over to the business school where my presentation was being held. Since we were pitching real life products, I could only get pictures of the event due to confidentiality reasons. I finished at 5 p.m, grabbed a nice dinner, and went home.